Lancaster to think of more fitting closure to today, the first day at Blackpool. Great pleasure. Royal Air Force, Typhoon display 2025. Full reheat from those EJ200 engines, 53,000 pounds of thrust, straight out of the back. Down on barrel roll, left-hand side. Get ready to come back in. 5 aileron rolls, setting back up from the left. Time to get busy. Definitely having an effect on the seagulls, that's for sure. They're all moving off land. Now watch this, corkscrews back in. Inbound barrel roll. Now it's a half cube. Next 3 turn. There's that outside turn. 3 times his own body weight, pushing all through. Hard. Now corrects back to the positive speed. Takes the aircraft up into the vertical. Just pull it over at the top. Once again, up. Out to the left. Just double corkscrew. And then a negative half Cuban. Pitching the aircraft into knife edge, there into the inverted, upside down, and then, oh, horrible negative G again, on the outside, pulling the aircraft up into the vertical and rolling them around. And he'll come back on that half Cuban. Get ready for a high-speed pass. It'll be fast, loud, and just under 700 miles an hour. Or a camera with a big lens on it. Have a look at the canards on the front. They're the little wings just underneath the canopy. They're called canard wings. They'll be flicking. So the input into the fly-by-wire system is doing 4,000 calculations a second. And it's got 3 flight systems that are all talking to each other. Power, power, power. All the way up. EJ300 engine does 52,000 pounds. Now, we're getting close to the end of the display. a max rate turn. And then up into the vertical, coming out of this foul roll. So get your cameras ready to follow him. As he comes back around for 10,000 feet.